Why do we do this to ourselves?
I don't know.
Where are we? We're at the Telford, the Grange MX. Racing today, we're going racing.
No racing.
We're in, what are we in? Novice over 25.
Novice
and our group is the busiest. There's like 30 odd people. So it's going to be interesting at the start gate.
Yeah. Like in the kids there's like 8, 9, 10.
I looked in adult B and there was like 6 people.
Yeah.
And in ours there's like 32. I don't know if that's a good decision or a bad
I don't know, I
decision.
might move to the kids, to be honest.
But we've got some practice laps we can go and do first, and then we'll get into the racing basically. So, see you in a bit.
There's a lot.
I'm pretty scared. There's a lot. That was good. That was good. I like that. How did you get on?
Alright, not too bad.
Nice track.
Yeah.
That was good.
It's a good track.
I like that. Oh, I'm excited now.
Right, you could just...
Yeah. They're soft at least, aren't they? That was good.
Race 1, no, not race 1, practice 1.
Complete.
Completed.
Nobody died. What do you think then?
It was good.
Yeah?
I enjoyed it. Just it was a new track,
New seat.
new seat.
Sticky.
I went to get my leg over and my leg got caught and I nearly went straight over. And then
Too sticky.
Going around, you know, like when we used to being able to slide back and forth.
Yeah.
It's like,
No, yeah, you go like that and it goes, oh no, good girl. Oh. I enjoyed that a lot more than I thought I was gonna. First practice down and we're doing modifications. What are we altering?
Handlebars, they got knocked back from the Enduro, when was it, last week?
Why? Because I'm just holding on to them?
No, I went into a tree. Went into a tree.
That one time at VIP, I literally pulled them round in the mounts.
No, hopefully
you just hit them.
move them forward. I'm going to knock
I feel like those now need to come up though.
one thing at a time.
Your lever's pointing down too much. You know what I mean?
It's because when I'm over like that, then I'm going to be...
You're going to be ready?
Yeah, ready.
Right, so first practice is done. Well, I say first practice. Practice is done. And I managed to... Sorry, I messed around with the camera. I managed to come 39th fastest. We had 3 laps basically, but bear in mind we've never been to this track, so we've got no idea where we're riding. So it definitely took me like 2 laps to even know which way to go. I got 39th, Henry got 44, and altogether we've got 46 riders. So the start's going to be really interesting, which we're both really nervous and very worried about. So out now is the under 25 novice, so they're out now, so we're out next. So yeah, we're just going to start getting ready in a minute, and then I don't know what we're going to do. I think just sit back for the first race, try and just get the first lap out of the way, and then just hopefully try and just kind of pick up the pace and try and just see if I can pick people off, maybe if I can kind of stay in it. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to the start. Yeah, I'll be alright, mate. Thank you. I'll let you go.
Your tyre looks low on the front, pressure-wise.
I'll have a look after this. You'll be alright. It's not that I'm worried about. It's fine. Thank you though. Oh my God. That was good.
Yeah, tiring.
Oh my God. How did you get on with the start?
I went off a bit keen and then I thought, oh, there's a corner.
Someone dropped it right in front of me.
That was it.
Yeah. But I managed to get through, to be fair. That wasn't too bad. I've got no idea where I came though.
No.
I felt like I rode good though. How did you feel?
The first half I was doing alright, then the second half was slow down.
I was getting tired. It's quite long, wasn't
The
it?
second half I just wanted to finish, not just come off.
Telford. What were we in? Novice over 25. 25th. 25th and 35th. Oh, sorry, lads. 25th and 35th. Yeah, that is, yeah. Best lap 2:29. That's good. 2:14. Woohoo, baby! She was firing well that time.
Shifting.
You'll have me on the next one though, I reckon. I'm gonna peak too soon. I can already feel it. Race 2.
Feeling it. Feeling the energy.
Braking bumps are gonna be bad. That's what we're
Bad in
thinking.
the last session.
Yeah, so we're thinking they're gonna be bad. So go out there. There's a lot of different groups, isn't there? So there's a lot of people out on the track. So it's going to change a lot between the races, isn't it? If you get me. So I have to go out and see what it's like again.
Try and run a few different lines.
Yeah, try and just switch it up. I was trying to last time in the corners, just going wide sometimes, coming tight sometimes, and I found like a lot more. I got a lot more comfortable. Bye, Das. A bit earlier than last time, so wow. Say that, there's still loads. Oh, now. So we're just going to be whatever gate is left again, but I feel like I prefer to do that because I don't know what gate would be the right gate to pick anyway.
Come on!
See you out there. Come on! If I'd have gone to my number 25, I would have got to have a gate pick. That's what the numbers are for.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. We literally don't know anything.
Loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
find that.
Good. Wait, what happened to you? Oh. How come?
Just.
I don't think I started very well. I didn't get a good, I think I was a lot lower than last time, I think. I'm not sure.
It just too much out there.
I didn't get a very good start. Yeah, the braking bumps are bad, aren't they? You okay, Daz? How many laps did you do?
I only got 2 in, I think.
Oh, really?
Greatest.
Did you come off or like fall
Nearly,
off?
but like, go, as you come off that top bit down,
Yeah,
it's like slop coming round there.
yeah.
There's a few sketchy places now.
Not feeling it.
No, unfortunately.
Thumbs down from Henry.
Hey,
Thumbs down.
good track.
Yeah, good track. You have been off the bike for quite a long time though, in fairness.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's probably a bit too much thinking, yeah, you'd be able to handle a whole race though, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But yeah, the braking bumps are getting bad now. Really bad. You're gonna call it a day, do you reckon?
I think that's me.
Yeah?
You got one more race in you?
Dunno, maybe.
You got another race in you? Have you got another race in you?
Yeah, I reckon so.
Got another race.
I reckon so. Screw it. Oh, that was good, but not as good as the first time.
The first session, enjoyed that. Practice, enjoyed that. First one, enjoyed that. Now there's a lot of heavy
It's quite choppy,
braking
isn't it?
bumps out there.
Pretty choppy. Didn't feel too bad though. But yeah, it definitely took it out of me. Did you see where we came?
People was coming off left, right and centre on there.
Oh, were they? 19th?
God,
Oh. I didn't think I was anywhere near that.
no.
No. A lot slower though. 2 minutes 18.
2 minutes 18.
Like 4 seconds slower. It's pretty choppy though, isn't it? It is pretty choppy.
It's very choppy.
The fastest one was 1:58. So I don't know what was it in race 1?
140s, weren't they?
1:56. They're not that much slower.
No.
They're like 2 seconds slower. I'm like, what was I? Like 4 seconds slower. Yeah. Happy with that though. 19th. But braking bumps, they're too bad now.
Ah, really bad.
Yeah. They are like the one. Did you see that one? It's
They're
literally
like little bomb holes,
It's
aren't
like
they?
that high.
I thought I'd be super smart, get on the power, get the front end up, and then like the
Drop
front
it
end
once.
just slams straight in, and then it's like bang.
Pretty much smacks out in the face.
In all fairness, I was expecting it to be
A lot worse.
lot more worse.
Yeah, I was as well, to be fair. And like, yeah, they've got a lot of groups in there. There's a lot of people churning it up.
Yeah.
So those braking bumps, like, are just going to get worse. We've got one more race, which I think I'll do. Not sure. But the braking bumps are going to be bad.
Yeah.
Really bad.
I think if it was a bit more fitter, I think that's
Yeah. The point is just knowing when to say you've had enough, you know what I mean? So otherwise you're just going to hurt yourself.
And
I'm not very good at doing that, so
No.
you might have to drive me home.
I drove Kim home last time. Maybe I'll drive you home this time.
You might have to. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go for one
We'll have to
more.
ring Paul up to come and be the
Yeah.
international rescue as well.
Might go for one more, I reckon. But we're not sure what's
Another
going
one,
on.
not one more. Another one.
Yeah, another one, sorry. Yeah.
It's a good track though.
I like the track.
And
I do, in fairness, really like the track. I think it's nice. I think it's got a bit of everything.
I honestly, I was expecting it to be a lot worse.
Blowing plastics off.
Maintenance.
It's just pulled through the washer.
That's because
That's not what
you haven't put the little.
Yamaha's running. Wow.
I'll definitely come back here though.
Yeah, me too. 100%. I don't know when the round 2 is. You up for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll be it. They run a different like track, don't they? I think they changed it up.
I think the first properly session that I've had back out this season, it's been good.
Yeah, you've had, to be fair, you've had a long time.
Last time I properly rode was fast tracks at the mini bikes.
Yeah. Yeah, it was fast tracks the race.
Yeah.
Which was good, that was good.
But how many months ago was that now?
That's a long time ago. What was it? End of summer, wasn't it? Kim was off the bike because of her knee.
Was it September? No, gone. September.
Wait one sec. It's a long time.
The enduro day, you can't really class that as riding. That was just let's drag the bike up a mountain
That was
day.
just going for a walk.
Yeah, going for a walk and
We've
take
got
the
this
bike
thing at
with
the
you.
moment where we just seem to just be signing each other up for just pure awful days. It's quite good fun though. We can't moan too much. At least
No.
we're out riding our bikes. But yeah, we do seem to be doing that quite a lot now.
For every bad day, you'll then have a good day.
That is true. That is true. Very true.
And as you say, it's character building.
It is character building.
Yeah.
Today is definitely character building. It's been nice. Back to two of us. We haven't rode just two of us for a while.
No.
It's quite nice. Maybe we'll do some more. Oh, look at that day. Remember that day?
What's that, sunshine? Where was that? Oh, that was out in...
I'm going to show the camera. Do you remember where it was?
Well, Wales somewhere, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like North Wales.
Oh, mid Wales.
Yes, it was
Mid-Wales.
the Enduro loop.
Yeah.
That was good fun. That was good fun. I can't even find this. I had the two-stroke, didn't I?
I'm quite tempted to. Do you know war events?
Yes.
Am I saying
events.
it? Am I saying it right?
Yeah,
Or-
WOR.
Yeah,
or
WOR.
whatever, Yeah, those ones.
Do you have to say it with a black country accent for that? War.
Not
War.
sure. But yeah, I'm up for that too.
But
Let's go to that.
how extreme are they?
I don't think they're as extreme as some of the stuff we've done.
So I'm not feeling taking a bike for a walk again and dragging it up more mountains.
To anybody who's watching this far, we've actually got another day.
Another
Henry
day.
doesn't know about. Well, he does know
Well,
about
I've
it.
paid for it.
Yeah, we've booked it
And
up,
that's
but
as
he
much as
doesn't
I
know
know.
what he's agreed to. But it's going to be good. 21st of October.
When?
October. End of October, that was. The race.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
October,
At
November,
some point.
December.
Yeah. It was like
5 months.
16th of October or something. That was when we raced. Which is when you last properly rode,
Yeah,
really.
I have not.
Rode at Moto 101 on
Yeah.
Friday. It's Sunday now.
But that was mainly trying to put heat cycles into the Fantic
Yeah.
and just trying to make laps around the track.
It was difficult. Really difficult.
She was testing.
It was
testing.
testing. That was soft. This is soft, but that was
Yeah.
something else. Yeah, war events. I'd be up for that.
What about the sidecar?
I'd be up for a sidecar. In all seriousness, I would be up for a sidecar.
Yeah, but
So if somebody's got a sidecar that they're going to let them borrow, I would be up for that. Who gets to be the rider?
who's going to be Pillion?
Rock, paper, scissors? It's the only way to go.
It's got to be in it.
Yeah. Let's go.
Get it?
See you out there. Rough.
Rough.
Yeah, definitely rough. It was good though.
Looks like a few bits have smoothed out, if anything.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Some of the braking bumps were pretty brutal.
Brutal, deep.
Yeah.
How's
Coming
it
over
from
that
there?
bit, coming this way, see it bounced me out my seat.
You
Yeah.
look good though.
Yeah, good. So that's it, all 3 races. Well done, mate. Good effort from
Good
both
effort.
of us, good effort. Oh my god. Right, should we wash these bikes?
Yeah.
Or should we just sling them in the down?
Get them washed, come on.
Come on. Let's find out where I came. Have you got my phone? See where we came.
You got a bit of fucking black on your chin.
Oh, man. Probably everywhere. Oh. Where do you reckon? Lower?
No better.
Really?
Yeah. I'm going for 27. What did you go before?
19.
You was 19th before?
Yeah, I don't think I was that good. I don't think I was there again.
Oh, I don't know.
18! Woo!
Good lads.
Improvement by 1. That's not too bad. 25th, 19th and 18th. I am happy with that. Right, let's wash these bikes. Thank you, mate. They were nice, weren't they?
Yeah.
Classic old boy in his son. Living his dream.
Nice to see though, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it is.
It's so heavy. Ah.
Oh, that was good, that was.
Ha! Squeeze down there where Kim normally is.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, Kim, put the strap on properly.
Come on, Kim. I do struggle doing Kim's job, in fairness, but her job is difficult. I think I know.
That's not what you said earlier. You said Kim's job was super duper easy. She does nothing, just stands there and
Yeah,
just
she does stand there and moan, doesn't she? The hard bit's pushing it up.
Yeah.
To be fair, and you did that.
Put some effort into it then. Is that what you do? Is just jam it to that side?
Yeah.
You're disgusting at times.
How's that disgusting? That's
Now I know why your grips are broke. It's
No!
just rubbing up the wall.
No. Don't be like that. When you get a van, you'll load your bikes like a van. Well,
You're just a savage at times. Most of the times. All the time.
no.
What do you think, Dust?
Nothing wrong with
Shocking
that.
behaviour.